Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today there's an update on the Mondeo mk4. Unfortunately 2 weeks ago my engine blew and it was uneconomical to repair, so the car has been scrapped. So therefore I have now upgraded to another Mondeo. This one, again a Mark4 but a facelift. And yeah, let's have a look inside. There's a few jobs to do. First, it's the steering wheel. It's awfully worn out. Now I have a replacement from a Titanium X. So an upcoming video will be on how to swap the steering wheel. Next up is the radio. Now this one is out of a pre-facelift, and unfortunately it's no radio reception because the plugs for the antenna are different from the pre-facelift to the facelift. So that unit will be replaced, and that'll be in an upcoming video. I stripped my old Mondeo down for parts, including the seats, which I have fitted in this one already. Now I did check the wiring in this car to see if the wiring for heated seats is present, and it was. The only thing I haven't done yet is the wiring for the switch, because I haven't checked to see if it's there. I have to remove all this trim, but I did fit the switch from the old car into this one, and it's a little hole in there. I'll just pop that and the switch pops straight in its place. Now they're normally black on the facelift, but trying to get a black one with heated and air cooled is, well, it's like finding a needle in a haystack. So this one will do. This has done 143,000 miles. And yes, it says key battery low. So I will have to change the battery in this key fob. And no doubt I will have to reprogram it for central locking after it's done. So that will be in another upcoming video on how to do that. But yeah, it's a very nice car. It's a 2-litre diesel 140 with 6-speed box. Well, stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and subscribe.